Imagine you had to eat the spiciest chip in the world and then build a gaming PC. If you can't tell, Jake's excited. For rule number 1, must eat entire chip. Oh man, Jacob really went all in. Rule number 2, wait as long as possible before drinking anything. And for the final rule, you must complete this gaming PC. Now I'd normally narrate this entire video, but I think you'll want to see what happens next.
You want some water?
No, I haven't said my safe word yet.
See that vein popping up in your head?
Yeah, you
Oh man.
Why didn't we get the glass panel off to start with? Come on, that's really cool stuff. You can win this month. Mini Tesla gaming PC. It's RC controlled. You can drive around. This whole Tesla Plaid.